Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin inside the launcher. Open Settings and look for Performance or Video. Once done, make sure to note the renderer choice, DirectX or Vulkan, because the active GPU is linked to that option. If the launcher lacks details, exit and open the Game Install folder. Find log or config files named renderer, GPU, or GPU info. You will read a line with your GPU model. This immediate check saves time before booting into a match, and it tells you which driver to update. You now verify with system tools to be sure. Open Task Manager, switch to Performance and select GPU, read the model and current usage. Once done, run GPU-Z or DXDiag to capture exact device name, driver version, and supported features. These tools show whether the game uses integrated or discrete graphics. Play a short session while watching Task Manager. The GPU that spikes is the one Ghost of Tabor uses. This proves the launcher info and helps troubleshoot performance differences. To finalize, force or prioritize the correct GPU if the wrong card is in use. Change settings in Windows Graphics Settings or your GPU control panel to assign Ghost of Tabor to the discrete GPU. Once done, enable detailed logging in the game or retain the renderer log. That log will confirm the selected GPU. If the game still reports the wrong device, update GPU drivers, verify game files through the launcher, and restart your PC. One key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.